Good AM. Today is October 12, 2023, Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Here are the SL Sword 3 10:30 AM result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, October 12, 2023. Here are the SL Sword 3 10:30 AM result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of October 12, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.